Yo, boys, somebody in my community just told me that my strategy works really well on UK 100. So we're going to test it out. Of course, we don't cheat. We're going to simulate a date. I always say that, okay, October 7th, 2023. I always said that my strategy works in all pairs. So I'm going to practice what I preach. What was it? 7, okay. Boom. Add some months on that. Let's see. I only looked at it for like 5 minutes. I looked at the charts for 5 minutes. Looked at it was really nice for the liquidity on the larger scale, as always. But as in smart money traps on the 50 minute. But then I don't know if it would give on the lower scale. Like you can see here, on the lower scale, there's basically nothing. There's just like not another trap here. But as far as liquidity wise, you can see that it's good. I mean, there was a trap here, sweep of London goes higher and then sweeps back down again. Maybe yeah. So, but on other cases here, yeah, okay. So you can see it's already being super confluent to my strategy. Okay, so minimum of minimum 4 hour. Okay, you can see we sweep this. We sweep this here to go where? To another liquidity. Always going from one liquidity to another. Most definitely this, and later on probably this. Don't even need to see the higher time frame, but I will take a look. Okay, yeah, you can see how we go from one liquidity to another, one liquidity to another, to another, to another, to another, and right now possibly another, because this equal low. Okay, but because it was a equal low, guess what? Smart money traders seeing this taking liquidity right here, seeing this is a equal low, they'll try to buy to sell here, and then boom, they get swept, and price delivers a move afterwards. So we're bearish. Okay, we had a trend line right here that got swept. More confirmation that this is the high. That's protected for now. Okay, going down the hourly, you can see we have some efficiency right here that was made. Maybe we can come to this efficiency right here. This high took liquidity, so it should be protected for now. Got this efficiency, we got this inducement. This high didn't do nothing, break this, but didn't broke nothing here. Okay, so it is an inducement. It is a smart money trap. Okay, and because this is a trap, this will become a trap. Believe me. And possibly a trend right here. Okay, it was broken, but yeah. So we're looking for shorts, but first need to see this get swept. And let's go. Okay, and this gap is gonna get filled. Okay, it got filled, and now it's retracing back down, but I still believe we're going higher, like I said, but still need to see that black line though. Right now it's coming to New York. New York likes to break London highs or London lows. Didn't take it. Okay. Next day. All right. We're only looking to take good setups. Okay. Now that we broke the liquidity, it's Asia. So hold your horses. It's another day. So let's wait for another trap. Let's wait for the efficiency. I know that I'm going fast, but this is a backtesting session. I gotta go fast so I can explain to y'all, but also be in this training to the point where I actually take trades. So here we're sweeping lower, but I'm not gonna trade it. I'm waiting for a sweep higher. Okay. Boom. We go to my zone, but it's not just because we go to my zone, we break it, and now we're heading long that I immediately short. Right? No, it doesn't work like that. Right now, big impulse to the upside. It didn't come fully tag the liquidity. There's a smart matchup on larger scale, yes, but this is equal highs. So in here we took out support resistance traders, but we didn't took out smart money traders yet. And now we took them. See this beauty? Man, if you want to learn, just hit me up. But it's facts though. Okay, so right now we took it. I'm expecting breaker structure lower. If we do get it, it's not looking that good, but hey, be mechanical about it. Uh, if it's a loss, it's a loss, and 3R minimum to this liquidity on the limit. Boom. Oof. Oof, 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 oof. That one hurt. Okay. No problem though. Uh, oh. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. It seems like there's something here which I didn't see. This gap. Okay. So, and this is an inducement. This is probably an inducement as well. It's an equal high, as you can see. Inducement and equal high. But yeah, on the 30 minute, we have this gap. Okay. Not making an excuse. That's my fault. That's my fault for not seeing it. And we have the inducement right here as well. Let's wait for that. Maybe in New York, or maybe here. Okay. Wait for the liquidity maybe to get swept. I don't know what's gonna happen here. Or is it gonna reverse from now? It's just going up non-stop. Yeah, I'll wait for New York. Okay. And London close about to come. Both sessions were bullish, so maybe now London close will be bearish. Okay, nice. It's a bit late. It's a bit late. I will take a short right here, but it's a bit late. I'm gonna mark out the liquidity as well, but yeah. This, it might be a trap because it's the same thing I was mentioning. Like this right now is equal lows, and everybody will be looking to short it here because of these equal lows as a target. But let's see. Let's see. I could maybe short it here. I don't know. Well, I do know the answer is no, but because it's risky, but it can work because it's London close right here, and price might just drop. But yeah, I would be break even right now, possibly even TP after this. But it is what it is. Right now it looks good. Right now it looks good. Sweep of freer is very high. With impulse, would still wait for another trap, but I don't know. Maybe in this is what I'm saying. Like the smaller frame traps don't happen. Here you can see, man, we could have had a setup though. Just because the shorts were risky because I was already anticipating the sells, but sweep of Asia, okay, previous not previously low, but sweep of Asia, some impulse going higher, boom down, and then move up, and now it can go lower from here, but if it doesn't as a sweep, then I'll definitely sell. Okay, okay, and I'm positioned right here, no hesitation, and no hesitation, and because this was a trap, this will become a trap. Okay. Limit, yes, I think. Boom. Okay. Could I be break even here? No, it's not even 1 hour. Let's wait for this to break and then I'll put myself break even. If it does, because it's not looking good. New York, like I said, likes to break London high, so and lows. So the liquidity is right here and it's building liquidity there, so it's definitely a stop loss. Unless we're lucky. Yep. Okay, so we're stopped out here. This is equal highs. Then if we swap it again, then I'll short, but it's already late in the day. Okay. Uh, Unfortunate. Maybe we could have had a smaller stop loss here, and we could have gotten break even as soon as we broke structure. I always look to place myself break even after we break some structure, but didn't. So we -2. Nothing to worry about. Okay. Still profitable at the end of the day. We're gonna pass to the next day. Okay. We got these equal lows right now. Equal lows of previous daily lows, breaking previous daily highs. We're coming super close to this liquidity, so I'll probably wait for that to get swept. Okay, now we sweep into the downside. This became a trap. Now this will become a trap. Just waiting for price to break this and then actually head lower. Boom. We broke it with a buy to sell. Just waiting now for it to come lower. Again, we're also trying to sell in a bullish market, but overall we're bearish. Uh, it's already too late though. It's already too late. Probably wait for New York, and also didn't have a trap right here. Yeah, going lower, and now New York will come and take this out maybe, and then I'll place myself. Ah, I didn't. Okay, it didn't. It didn't. So I know it's taken this, but I'm not gonna risk on the buys if I know price is also heading lower. Or could I? Because we're bullish. Uh, London close. Yeah, but it doesn't look good though. I'm trying to force a setup here. Yeah. Okay, sweep of previous daily low at fucking 8 p.m. So non-tradable. We got these two liquidities. In here it doesn't look that awesome. Sweep of Asia high. See if we can get something from here. Looking for shorts at the moment. Okay, broke it. Right now, trap. Okay, with impulse, nice. And placing myself right here on this candle, this 5-minute candle. And at least here, even if we're bullish, it would be decent to break this. It would be valid, not decent. Hey, it might have been news, but it's not luck. Just setup accelerators. So we were -2. Maybe you're already commenting how unprofitable I was, but look at this killer trade. Just boom. Didn't even need to see the 1 minute. Just look at 5-minute candles and position myself. And seeing the strength of the move, definitely can come here. Because this was a trap, this will become a trap, and this is like Frankfurt lows. Boom. And right now, let's see New York. Let's see New York. If we get a sweep of this, maybe we can play a retracement. Okay, it's still London. So let's await. As you can see, the potential could have been a 10R. Up is going up. Right now, if we could get another sweep, that would be nice. Or a sweep of this and get a short. Okay, it came perfectly to test it out. But it just looks too basic for me, so I wouldn't take it. Unless in here, in lower time frames, we maybe did a trap. You see, we came here, test out the efficient, to test out a bigger block. Test out this. People were seeing this, saw this breaker structure lower, and put their stops above here, and now they got tagged out. Maybe. Maybe. So, yeah, but I wouldn't trade it right now. But hey, could have worked. Could have worked. So London was bearish, New York was bearish. So right now maybe we can play a risky London close trade. And because I don't wait for traps in London close, boom, boom, little retracement right here. Okay, to the initial order block of this. But we're buying while price is bearish though. Keep in mind that. Oi. Okay. Here, here. We're more than 1 hour up. We're testing this efficiency. Maybe I could place myself break even. Because I know if we break this, then we have reason to come down. Oof. But yeah, we also have a order block right here. It's already mitigated. So if he comes here, he might take me out and then run, but also it might come short. But yeah, not gonna risk it now because this is gonna become a previously high, previously low. Sorry. Okay, take that break even. Okay, okay, okay. It was one of them ones where I get tagged out break even and price runs my way. Of course, because in here in 50 minutes it wasn't mitigated already, the order block, so it came to do it. That's what you get when price moves too fast in your favor. Then it doesn't mitigate the block, you already break even, and then it comes back to tag you break even. So right now what I'm expecting, too many highs caught up together. This is a trend line for sure. As you can see, maybe we can break the overall highs. But yeah, price is simply not just gonna move like breaker structure or the lock, breaker structure or the lock. That would be becoming too basic. But right now, even though I'm saying that we just broke this inducement, we might have reaction lower. But yeah, I don't like it when it's too like this, like too simple. See, probably going to go higher or okay, we're building liquidity right here. Okay, we sweep in this. So right now we might go for that trend line. It's a key timing on London, I think. Okay, we haven't made a trap really here, at least on a 5 minute, neither on a 3. So you might get a second sweep, or it might just work from here. Okay, right now it's coming to New York. New York just broke this, so support and resistance traders are out because of the equal high. And right now we're giving breaker structure lower, and if we can get another sweep to the upside, come on, come on. I know that you want it. I know that you want it. Yes, it's sorcery, guys. I memorized the 1 minute chart before I came here, over 5 years. Yeah. Uh, but yeah, it's this thing right here. I don't like the previously high, and maybe this. Don't know if it will work or not. But yeah, as far as avoiding traps, we're super good. London close right now though. I gotta take it. Ah, fuck, bro. Don't be so fast, motherfucker. I gotta take it. I know I don't like it, but yeah. Gotta be mechanical about it. Boom. Let's see if we don't give our profits back. But it doesn't look good because of that high. But yeah, because this was a trap, maybe this will become a trap. Because we already broke this, we have reason to come down. But have we tested out the efficiency? We have, but we weren't even 1 hour up, I think. No, so I would leave it. I will leave it. And increase the time frame because there's no point in being here at night. Maybe 5 minutes. Okay, now after seeing this reaction, after seeing this break, and after being 1.5 or around that up, I'll put my stops to break even. Okay, we swept these inducement. So if I'm still correct, there's no reason for price to go higher than it is. But as you can see, this 5 minute block is exactly where my entry is, where my stops is as well. So let's see. Maybe I get tagged out break even and price runs my way, or I get the initial stop loss taken. So here another break even, and let's see. Okay, yeah, probably a stop loss then. Yeah, probably a stop loss. But because of that, I can maybe get a buy in. Okay, because I'm already see too much liquidity here, and possibly a trap on the lower time frames here after sweeping Asia. Okay, doesn't look too good this zone, but this also took liquidity and tested this. But in here, trap at this, and this made a sweep of Asia. Okay, and then it went up, it went down, but it's still Frankfurt. I don't like it that much. Ah, fuck, bro. But what did I say? What did I say? I'm looking for buys. I'm looking for buys. This. I know some of y'all are gonna make shit up in the comments, but hey, if you're hating on another man profitability, then you'll never become it. Right now we're sweeping this previously high, but hold your horses because there's a liquidity right here. Okay. I don't know. What do you want me to say? What do you want me to say? I know what you want me to say. You want me to say I memorize the chart and everyone's unprofitable because you aren't profitable. So right now, sweep of this, uh, smart mid trap would be good, but there's also this high just next to it. Fuck. When it runs, it runs. You miss the train. You miss the train. But if we can get the sweep I was mentioning, yeah, I think we're gonna get it. Because remember, session liquidities. Okay, New York likes to sweep highs and lows of London. It's being a bit of boring New York session though. Maybe there was some news here. It's a Wednesdays. No, it's a Tuesday. Okay, sweep of this, but there's this liquidity marked out. That's why we have them. Okay. All right. We have equal low right here. Even if we're bullish, then price would have to come here, take out some liquidity. But we're definitely breaking this higher. If not now, then later, but probably now. But we're coming super late. We're coming super late. And I gotta follow my plan. No, I gotta follow the plan. I gotta follow the plan. I don't know what you want me to do, bro. I don't know what you want me to do, to say. What else you want me to prove? Right now we have the trend line right here. And I think because this looks too basic, we're going to sweep the previously high again. Let's try to get... fuck. If it would have swept it, then it would be way better. Maybe the previously low, maybe this. Just something. Okay, sweep of London, sweep of daily low. Okay, another sweep. It's risky because we got this, and no, not gonna trade it, because look at this. You always gotta zoom out. You always gotta zoom out. There's an equal low right here. Boom. I was thinking of taking the trade, but I wouldn't be even in the trade because I was thinking of buying it here, maybe, or maybe internally here, and I would have gotten stopped out. Uh, right now, London bearish, New York bearish, London close, taking sweeping the liquidity. What you think we're gonna do? What you think we're gonna do, boy? I mean, it might be FOMC here. I don't know, but price is it's late. It's late in the day. It's what I'm saying. But yo, I'm gonna risk it for y'all. Last trade of the vid. Either we end up break even, either we end up in profit. It is kind of what I'm saying. It just takes a liquidity and then moves away without making a smart money trap. I trade the UNGU and there's a lot of smart money traps on the lower time frame, so that's why we haven't much setups. But yeah, probably a stop loss maybe. Okay, I'll look to put myself break even. Maybe in this structure, yeah. And then if price comes here, then it's definitely valid for it to come down. But who's to say it's gonna do that? Can maybe be a stop loss. Oi, oi, oi. It's too crazy. It can be one or the other. Yeah. Okay. Now that we took this, yeah. I don't. I'm not really feeling this. But hey, I said I'll put myself break even here. So, but it's a stop loss. It's a stop loss. But I also want to end up the video, and my ego is gonna take over. My fucking ego is gonna take over to make up the losses. But uh, wait. Okay. Ah, fuck it then. I was looking for a buy then. But yeah, that's been it. We ended up break even. Ended up losing the 1 hour on this risky ass trade. I mean, confluent, but late as fuck, late, super late. So in live markets, I wouldn't take it. Yeah, making up excuses for for losing. But yeah, boys, I hope you appreciate it and leave a like, subscribe, and go to the Discord. Go watch the free value, and see you on the next one.